to show you the Lazy Daisy stitch. It's a really easy stitch. You just come up. If I had traced, there would be a dot I would be coming up in. And then you make a loop in the direction that you want your little petal or leaf to go. And then you just go down and rock back up in the direction of the petal or the leaf. And pull slowly so that it leaves it nice and rounded. I'll show you another one. I don't like to go back in the same hole because I think it makes it very rounded on this end. I like to go either in front or in back of this first stitch because it makes a pointed end. Like so. I'm going to show you a real common mistake people make. Is to come straight up with their thread, with their needle, and what it does is it pulls it too tight and then you end up with a little slit like this, which isn't real pretty. So the way to get around that is I'm holding my little loop. I'm going to come out here and I'm going to pull slowly with my thread kind of parallel to my fabric rather than straight up and down, and it gives you time to get a better little loop on there. And now I'm going to show you a double Lazy Daisy. I'm doing a lot of those in new patterns this year. Here I have the outside Lazy Daisy, and then I'm going to come up inside here. Boy, I'm making it look difficult. I'm trying to come up and not split any threads. Like so. And then I'm going to make a second Lazy Daisy, a little bit smaller, right inside that first one. So what it does is it makes it a little filled petal or filled leaf. And while I'm doing the Lazy Daisy, I'm going to show you the chain stitch because it is a Lazy Daisy. So this time I'm not going to worry about going in front or in back because I'm just going to keep it very small. I'm going to come up, catch my little loop like so, and you can see that it's very small. And then I'm going to go right back down inside that loop, rock back up, catch the loop, go down inside, rock back up, catch the loop, down inside, rock back up, catch the loop, just over and over again. Oops, that one's too small. As long as you keep them small, they look kind of like a cord. It's when you get them too long that they start looking kind of sloppy. Easy, easy stitches. That's all there is to it. There you go. That's the Lazy Daisy, double Lazy Daisy. You can also do a triple Lazy Daisy, and the chain stitch.